Hello there, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and today I like to delve into Moroccan cuisine and explore a traditional dish called Harcha, a staple of the country's cultures for generations. Harcha is a golden, buttery pancake made primarily from semolina flour and unsalted butter, two ingredients used in Moroccan and North African cooking for many centuries. Its origins can be traced back to the Berber people, an indigenous ethnic group of North Africa who used the locally available ingredients to create various bread types. Harcha is a prime example of this resourcefulness. It has evolved from its humble beginnings to become a beloved national dish. Despite its simple ingredients, Harcha can be enjoyed in various ways, often with honey, jam, local cheeses, or a snack with tea. There is also a popular street food in the country with toppings such as olives, harissa, or a blend of herbs and spices. Its versatility has contributed to its growing popularity beyond Morocco's border, with chefs and food enthusiasts experimenting with several innovative toppings and fillings. In recent years, Harcha has become a favorite dish in Moroccan-style restaurants worldwide, and it continues to hold cultural significance in several Moroccan households. It represents a sense of hospitality, togetherness, and commonly served at family gatherings, holidays, and special occasions. I also have a recipe for you redeemable in my newsletter, Flavors and Knowledge. My all-time favorites include avocado and poached eggs for the savory type, or for sweet, I go with Nutella and strawberries. And there you have it, foodies, a little taste of Morocco in your kitchen. Harcha is a delicious treat and an excellent way to explore Moroccan cuisine's rich and diverse world. Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to remind you to follow us on social media for more mouth-watering recipes, culinary tips, and updates on upcoming episodes. All the details will be on the show notes. Thank you for joining me today on Quick Bites. I hope you try Harcha and enjoy and immerse yourself into the Moroccan flavors. Until next time, happy bites.